Welcome to our channel, where we explore some of the most tragic incidents that have happened in aviation history. Today we will be covering 5 major Our first crash happened on March 27, 1977, in Tenerife, a small island in Spain. It was the deadliest aviation accident in history and involved two Boeing 747s. KLM Flight 4805 and Pan Am Flight 1736 were both attempting to take off from the same runway, but due to miscommunication, they collided, resulting in the deaths of 583. Failure, and the pilot lost control of the aircraft, causing it to crash into a mountain. 520 passengers lost their lives in the tragedy. Post on July 17, 2014, a Malaysia Airlines flight en route to Beijing disappeared from radar screens, and the world was stunned. After months of searching, it was concluded that the plane had crashed into the Indian Ocean, killing all 239 passengers and crew on board. Post on March 10, Ethiopian Airlines flight crashed shortly after takeoff, killing all 157 passengers and crew. The crash was caused by a software malfunction in the plane's automated system, which led to the plane's nose-diving uncontrollably. It happened on September 11, 2001. The world was forever changed when 4 commercial flights were hijacked by terrorists and used as weapons to attack the World Trade Center and the Pentagon. Almost 3,000 people lost their lives in this tragedy, and the world would never be the same again. These 5 aircraft crashes are a somber reminder of the dangers of aviation and the importance of safety protocols. We hope that we can learn from these tragedies and prevent them from happening again. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative